This is exercise number 13 on page 617. And in this exercise, we are supposed to find the exact value of the 6 trig functions of the given number. And it's 11 pi over 6. And so first I want to do is sketch a unit circle. So 11 pi over 6 is not a full 2 pi, is it? It's a, we would start at 1, 0, and we go around the circle, not a full 2 pi, but 11/6. So we'd be 1/6 pi short of a full rotation. So we would have pi over 6 in here as this angle, and this big angle would be the 11 pi over 6 radians. Okay, so how many degrees is that? So I can take the 11 pi over 6 and convert it to degrees. So I want to cancel the pi, end in degrees. So 180 divided by 6 is 30 times 11 is 330 degrees. Okay, so it looks like a 330 degree angle. And I'm going to draw the little reference triangle in right here. And I have to find the 6 trig functions. So really I'm looking for the coordinates of this point right here. So I'm going to know that if this whole thing is 330 degrees, if we look at it in degrees, that this reference angle is 30 degrees in the wedge. So I'm going to redraw in that same position the reference triangle, which should look more like a 30, 60, 90, but this is the 30 degree angle. So this would be the short leg, and the hypotenuse, we know that the radius is 1 in the unit circle. And if that's 1, then short leg here is 1/2. And because I went down on short leg, that's going to be a negative in this one. And long leg is 1/2 times the square root of 3, so root 3 over 2. So if I go back to label this triangle, this is root 3 over 2, and this is negative 1/2. So on x, I go root 3 over 2 to the right and 1/2 down. So this x and the y give me all the function values that I need. So the sine is going to be y, or negative 1/2, and the cosine is root 3 over 2, which is positive. And when I divide these, the 2's will cancel, and I get negative 1 over root 3, which will, after I rationalize the denominator, simplify to negative root 3 over 3. The cosecant is the reciprocal of negative 1/2. The secant is the reciprocal of this, so it's 2 over root 3, which is 2 root 3 over 3 when rationalized. And then the reciprocal of this would be negative root 3. I will leave the rationalization to you. So remembering that we've got all students take calculus, that in quadrant 4, where this angle terminates, only cosine should be positive. So if I go back and circle all my negative values, I see that yes, cosine and its reciprocal are the only positive values of that. So that's it.